Hi, I'm Chef John Brantley, and I want to show you how to purchase seafood. I have mussels. When buying mussels, you want to make sure that the mussels are not all open. If they are open like this, generally that means that the mussel is dead and you don't want to cook it. However, you will find sometimes that the mussels are open just slightly. That doesn't necessarily mean that they're dead. They do open up a little bit. And what you want to do is just take them on your counter and gently tap them. Let them sit for a minute. They should close back up. If they do, then it's perfectly okay to use it. Clams are generally the same way. When buying shrimp, you can buy shrimp a few different ways. You can get them already peeled and deveined with the tail on or with the tail off. The tail simply just pulls off. If they're not deveined, if that's not available for you, then it's just a gentle slice down the back of the shrimp, and you just want to pull that out or just run it under some cold water. Whitefish, there's a wide array depending on the area that you're in. You can get cod, fluke, flounder, tilapia. What you want to look for is it should be semi-firm, and you want to make sure that the fish doesn't have any kind of pungent ammonia smell. Other fishes that you can also look for would be grilling fishes like sword or tuna. Those fishes are a little bit beefier and they'll work very well on a grill at that type of temperature, whereas the flakier fishes like this you want to use sauteing in a pan. So now you know how to buy seafood. Go out there, try some seafood, have a lot of fun with it. Don't be afraid of it, enjoy.